2 minutes to celebrate Western New York's great kids.
Today, we introduce you to a group getting ready for a big competition. They could very well be the next generation of great engineers and scientists.
This week's great kids are whiz kids from Lockport High School. Now, before we meet the Warlocks and their cunning creation, let's first talk about FIRST, F-I-R-S-T, for Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology. FIRST was founded to get today's school kids interested in engineering and innovation, and nationally, teams of high schoolers are competing in regional robotic competitions next month. The Warlocks will represent Lockport High School when they travel to Rochester in a couple of weeks. All the teams nationwide received this DVD about 6 weeks ago. It explains the competition for which they must design and build a robot. The game and the rules change every year.
And that allows every team to develop their own strategy and design a robot to fit how they think they should score the best.
For instance, this year you get 2 points for rolling the ball under the rack each lap, but 8 points for going up and over.
We learn a lot of different things from building the robot, designing the robot, computer-aided drawing. There's also business aspects. We have to raise a lot of money.
And buttering up local sponsors is good training for the event, because unlike other engineering competitions where robots fight to the death, in Rochester, sportsmanship and even good old-fashioned schmoozing come into play. The Warlocks robot will be teamed up with 2 other robots to compete against another trio. But every heat, the alliances are rearranged.
One match you may be facing off against someone that's really good, then the next match you might be teamed up with them.
So play nice, because when 8 semi-finalists are chosen, those 8 schools will draft from the rest of the field whom their partners will be in the finals. 2005 was the Warlocks' rookie year, and they finished 16th in the nation. They've also been #1 in New York State and won a national prize called the Golden Gear Award. Their future's even brighter due to the program's scholarship opportunities. This year, the FIRST program will award $9 million nationwide, and Lockport alumni have already benefited.
We have kids in Ohio State now, Georgia Tech, Michigan State, some on full scholarships, Kettering University, right here in the University of Buffalo. It's just fantastic for the kids.
It's a lot of work, but it's a lot of fun, and the payoff is just amazing.
So to the Lockport Warlocks, good luck in Rochester, and thanks for bringing Western New York up and over the competition.
And that's where the proof in the pudding is that we're creating engineers in this area that we can build a better America with those kids.
Celebrating Western New York's great kids every Monday. Kevin O'Neill, Channel 2 News.
That's pretty exciting. A lot of talent on that Lockport team.
Yeah, they have a great time. I think the key is having fun and using the technology. So we echo Kevin's sentiments. Best of luck to all those Western New York great kids competing in the FIRST robotic competition in Rochester.
Fingers crossed. And if you know a great kid that you'd like Kevin to meet, just send us an email by clicking on Celebrate Western New York on WGRZ.com.